Hello. So I thought I would show you a little bit of a trick if you have an Nvidia graphics card and run Ubuntu, and if you have issues with the screen tearing, for example in your web browser or whatever, and I had some issues with that, and I am right now on Ubuntu 18.04.1 LTS. And here you can see it's the GeForce GTX 660 that I have. It's from Nvidia. And this works with any Ubuntu version, as long as you have the Nvidia drivers installed. And with the Nvidia drivers you get this server settings thing. And just on the regular it looks like that. So what you do to get rid of the screen tearing is that you go to the Xserver display configuration here. And here you can see the monitors that you have. I have two. So what you do here is that you go to Advanced. Click on that. And you have this force compilation or composition pipeline. So what you do to get rid of the screen tearing is to actually enable that and then click apply. And if you have two monitors, you need to do that on both monitors. And what to do next after you clicked apply, you need to save this to configuration. Save. And if you don't save it to the configuration, these settings will be disabled the next time you restart your computer. So after you've done any settings here, save it to the X configuration file. So now it should work just fine. So you get rid of the screen tearing in the web browser and whatever. So yeah, short little video about that. So see you later.